Abusuameda was say na masam wakwa biem e de aba GH report so BORAX obekai BORAX a wono enene dade Lumba eye asiehwei meaning so kai sa anwom no were one of the young guys a omunya akonya e de dade Lumba eye anwom and sa particular song no asie ho no e beje trend pa e wo Ghana ha no ma chese Lumba e bo show anase eduru bronya bre eduru occasion bi se bibi ekoso na wante dad Lumba nyom asie ho featuring BORAX a ebusuane ne sa program na nye program papa enti BORAX one of the guys a omunya favor e dad Lumba enim ye pa na abrante no so ababonte abe grant interview a share ni experience with Lumba ene ye Maame Akosua Serwaa aware no with the 17-18 years a wode ware here bibi kakra wonim efa ho no ene the asie ho hit maker wababonten abekasa.
Okay, now me say about the 17 years na omo kan omo de to ma so no betimi aka bibi afa ho ene poison no so no betimi ama ye some explanation bi o
17 years no efa de ho ntia 17 years
almost 17 years na ma eja no omo say
omo de intro ma say wa so say
o about oja no about 17 years
17 years.
Oh, say money chia say Maame Akosua say want to me ndia ni kunda de Lumba 17 years. And I told you from initially said Maame Akosua Serwaa is a very kind-hearted woman as far as I know. And she's a very nice person, or you're sweet and or you're very loving and or you're very affectionate. And said Odonikunu or Mremanikunu and or Doni Obuosumanikunu. And to me, I don't think say Ojaro 17 good years. The thing is, Edrumebina for the Lumba on Kwabuchiri, not Ghana. And I'm on for say, I told him I heard it. I'm on for say, what I say, Yacho Papa. I'm say Yachim Papa. Yacho Papa. So is it UK airport? Is it UK airport? I'm saying UK airport. And Yache no, and ex-president Kufobe mu blah blah, and really.
Na enkomane to aso edru ba bia ode Odo Bronii ho nsem ebehihie mu na ebusia obi a won reservation about Odo Bronii and ensem ahodo a BORAX ekaye no ebusia ye enjoy BORAX kakra
no crown no me nyam perform me bufu ya me free ho because now I invite you and say be program na who that the Lumba afane ye be program who dey can perform wie ye na why na mo sunti aye ba program who perform wie ye aye ba be she wenyam no we fi program na say what fi program
wow papa asem na okay. Oh, so Papa, the 59th birthday and the 60th birthday in you were there?
Yes, and Americano.
Oh wow.
I mean, for me, Makoya, me buefu ye. Me buefu, wrong who say me buefu, but when me, but on no feeling say me buefu. Obia me, my couriers as baby, I me what a showman. Me couriers as me driving from a showman, to La Paz. 3 days continuous. Rehearsals, me papa be dinner birthday till me go shake you man ahụ na no. Now I the 59 birthday in performing 60th birthday in America. I'm on for being their force who were and as for me so made them call for back, to cheer me up and as for. Oh, me free outside me now buy a bear have it fun. What perform we ya oko. Me bu a fool ye. Me manager me
say platform we soon the first time I walk.
Yeah, make us the same way. Me say, me friend in country. Until me move full year and on that chain. Until to my greatest surprise, me receive a call from Priscilla. Me na me name say or no. Whereas hold on. Na papa say person no kasa. The one who said that Lumba. Until oh, you see, hello, hold on. That Lumba person no kasa. Aha, until Ewa naja on papa.
Hey, asubo ma yenka se yen hiafo yenya baby tena ye peja
Chale. Oh yeah, enyo. E
But
moment.
Ushia Maame Akosua Serwaa Odo no ye.
Oh, the baba ho. The baba ho why? Now me I was surprised.
Mon repost a screen recorders, mon fan me platform is super. After how many BORAX a happy and a wabao all my gist all can send pan no crano all catch mon recording and mon reposting. I happy BORAX batch of also my
Auntie, me wa how many program nobody even called me.
What about right why notification?
Nobody called me to tell me say we are sorry blah 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 blah. I mean they were performing but I left with anger. Yeah, because my papa called why you never performing and
I performing actually
why and a time I make a on roof fear mpo ameka say ebia or share the life, I know tune in a life, what must say. But me came or drive out and I say, so I don't think say, buffy I'm a coy. Ain't no done change. After I think couple of months they call and or no friend or say papa so person make a aha. Ain't or friend me or cast or person make a my dream call Sydney, the Sydney can't say or baby, my dream corner or say but me so me miss the question because I wasn't interested in her at the time. I was interested in what Papa person or catch them. And you no G phone no catch them. So for us, to say I'm so me who hey na boss who share let me say hey boss but your friend me boss na my main friend boss someone am your boss no see the idea ya danin kokra una your boss we laughed over it and okay, so you're very sorry, pa. Na that day, I mean, like he needed to go after performing. Then he needed to go. Right. Yeah, he needed to go and rest, and and me fan channel because him say me free hono man perform, me free hono me man perform. And I'm saying yeah, because once na me ba say me ba perform, me call rehearsals all these things, live band rehearsals, 3 days continuous. And my yes, I know my winning now, winning honor me. That's not the reason why I came there. I came there to honor you on your 60th birthday. That's what I can do to support you. Now, at least we did also among for whom I mean your contribution to the music, in general, the kind of artists you've raised, you brought to the limelight, and the kind of songs you've produced with all these various artists and then but Uncle Bannis and call him. And your friend no apologize, and then he made mention to the fact, say, and I'm just say, hey, into woman, I won't frame all this time. So, boy, I saw more papa. So many more papa. And I know him. And your best say I should know him better. Or what you say? Or no, friend now when son can no hear what. Be for food. Or be shock say would number. Ubi fi so nim no ubenya dia frem enti ono frem nja e ka say na mchen so me there I was really upset that day and for no omanya then so nti na offer me to apologize because me fanche wo mo sa crofo no ne workers no mo nye program bi sada enti no afi no mo starting to penalty wo mo I mean we spoke and then he was like we nyame incredible I made ma ubi say yan can change say me per se yanyum no yanya remixes that's your other new project being so na yenhwe na yenye no can say nice idea until me de me nimpo say nkomo na yedi no was going to be the last nkomo yebedi I don't know whether he called me to bid me farewell or whatever I don't know until
afei wonim say Lumba na onye obi a na otaye course na opese ono ye bibi opese o invite all the fear or hawa na osifa eye no it is sometimes artists ni bi don complain say that the Lumba empenipa okon ho a yes oni ho okon ho say unless ono hia wo na wa twe phone e de afro ni nyina BORAX area mu na abusua oba so ache wadwene na bibia enko yentie BORAX
ono pa
no this shame no wa fro yeah Sa number no pay.
But apart from that, all fresh number now.
Enko.
Unya that because they be anywhere do this one no frame.
No, I catch you say, oh, bra, or train, bra, obedru by friends. And yeah, sure, say, maybe call that time, and yet they see me now, the buffy or the baby, or who be later, or catch him, come here, may fire them, because me, my come and yet, because me, papa, no long time. We would have was we a house of opportunities in there. Oh, just a whole person permanent crop for feeling was in a bear. Uber to me access to the man.
If me control no.
That to me control or manipulating.
I don't know,
but
I saw the other for one name.
that time I come on.
Me no crania me
Now why shall I make
me share that. I did the last time I afraid. I mean the last time I spoke with DLA or no friend, you know. Me share about my tip. And I tip from no. I mean it's like he wouldn't fake that or he wouldn't make such a he will never make such a your friend is saying
that choice.
No, not that choice, but he will never make such comments, like Efa Obi Musa say one experience it, nipa no,
And I won't Akosua Bronii what you say.
What you say, can one experience on and Nidimi now the car sano and the way the mannerism just say the bufu no that particular night Onyankobe bibi but Lumba when to me anye bibisa enti ohun or the frustration and the anger and all the cat sassem me so I felt say oh yeah and then the girl would have the girl is a very your friend is saying a bad character you would not love to encounter but me encounter and the party I can be different thing can be deal oh
yes it for say e ho no wa clear ho amamo and I woni papa kasa no susu papa o ma hu say wayare the hall for like o ma hu how long wayare this room no say na o say wayare the hall no o kachre o kasa
we oh no yeshia no questions how because there was it here no ubisa questions na yeah so no person be catch wa on kanche ubisa na on person be shout and then you feel uncomfortable around him and who bibia na wo de wani ehwe na also who did you see information or cue from what you are seeing with your eyes and then as a wise person you play accordingly what you say and one can be sanche me dem mom me experiencing no yeshia wo I think that was the beginning of the ailment yeshia wo Mr. Brinya the manager of blessed memory ni yase wo East Legon baby omo ye ni ye this sports stadium is East Legon
maybe omo see achu no
no and he was happy to see me. I was also happy to see him. We hugged for a long time and he hugged for a long time and he made a comment say oh Charlie I should release him like me I know but as I'm like okay the whole year the body not just say he was not feeling comfortable said Biana nehu baby and I deduced that fast and I'm like oh wow until it didn't come on after no and then I want to until later na share Nanado our president
vice president
Nanado and then vice at that time a presidential candidate now they call you can your body the same British Airways flight you see any anti-alcohol train and so who say hey the European chair say musician BORAX and say your friend and say
okay I believe say the one kasa waka no wa sha se a wo twe da e comment section name message de bako e de fro say oba so obe like video no e di amame. Now is BORAX being lawyer and as asema esi ni ntino e no so ba bonten say on so be che na adwana say obeka bibi. What do you think about BORAX? The interview or grantee or TikTok no so I mean, the first time or the Ekasa on that the Lumba ne Odo say Akosua Serwaa Odo Bronii NSEMSEM no. The first time and it wasn't in the media house be or in TikTok. And what I sound common is for echoes. So I mean I need your candid opinion on this whole interview granted no a grantee and I've enchichi mu ahodoa or the bar abonting as far as that Lumba issues no a concern. GH report. Any day no go kwaso. Makram.